Hey guys, hope you're well. I am done with being at home. I mean, literally, for the last year, I've been at home in lockdown. You've been at home in lockdown. Been leaving the house, very limited, and I'm tired of it. So I have put together a property investors training program, which I'm going to be running next month. And guess what? You are invited. So what's going to happen is it's going to be a full day, an intensive day, and I'm going to be teaching everything I know about property, and I'm going to condense it into a day. And the tickets are now available on the website. And guess what? Because I'm so tired of being at house, because I'm so desperate to see you there, and I'm so excited about seeing you win, the tickets are free. Okay? Which is just crazy. Absolutely crazy. Listen, I started in property when I was 17 years old. I bought my first house age 17 with no money. I'm going to be showing exactly how I did that and how you can do the same thing too. I then built up a large portfolio, multi-million pound property portfolio. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that too. And then I started doing crazy financial freedom challenges, you know, literally all over different parts of the country. People say, you know, Samuel, could you become financially free in Manchester? Could you do it in Leeds? Could you do it in Swindon, Portsmouth? Could you do it in Birmingham, Warsaw, London, Watford? Guess what? All of the places I just named, next month, I'm going to be visiting. I'm not going to be becoming financially free. I'm not going to be doing a financial freedom challenge in those cities. I'm going to be running a one-day advanced training program for you to come and attend so that you can do it in those cities. So if you're based, wherever you're based, come on down, spend a full day with me. It's amazing what happens. Listen, I've been in the house so much, man. And all the people, every single week that have been coming on Winners on a Wednesday are the people that have actually met me in person. Because when you meet me in person and we can actually start training and you can see me doing live deals, which I'll be doing. I'm gonna be doing live property deals, condensing down, breaking everything down step by step, how to become financially free. When you're in that environment and you see me do it, you're gonna start doing it. So, I could say I'm going to do a big, massive event in London, but I'm not. I'm going to be touring and traveling up and down the country. I'm going to start in Swindon, Portsmouth on the 21st of June, then go down to Birmingham, Watford, just outside London, and then I'm going to be ending up north in Manchester and then ending in Leeds. So from the 21st right up until about, I think, the 29th, I'm going to be touring, running my training, the advanced super training, and it's on the house. You can come for free because I'm really done. I'm just so sick and tired of not being able to be around people and see lots of people where have high energy, and I just love that. I love training. People, you know, often ask me, why do I train? And it's because I absolutely love seeing people succeed, but also I love the atmosphere, I love the energy, I love the environment. So not only that, but also these training programs, which are free, it's a really great chance to network as well. So maybe you're thinking, oh, I don't want to go on a training course. I don't like training courses or whatever. All right, fine. But come down just to network. You know, we're probably going to have, I don't know, maybe 200 people at each location. And you're going to be able to network with hundreds of other investors, hundreds of other people in property. You know, I want to be teaching you how to package and sell deals. Maybe you'll meet other investors at the training program who've got money, and you can come down, learn how to package and sell deals, and then boom. Or maybe you can strike a joint venture partnership. You know, if you're too young to buy a property, you can't get a mortgage, or you have not got good credit and you can't get a buy-to-let mortgage, you know, don't take yourself out of the game. Because what I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be teaching you how you can joint venture with somebody. You find the deal, but joint venture with somebody. Where are you going to find the joint venture partner? At the training next month. The magic's going to happen next month. The magic is going to happen next month. June 21st. I'm so excited. I'm done with lockdown and I'm ready to meet you in person. So the tickets are free. They are limited. So you know what? Get your place registered and do it right now. Don't wait. Don't delay. I'll leave a link in the description. property-investors.co.uk/crash course. And I'm so excited. And also as well, do a best case, worst case. Maybe you're thinking, can I be bothered? Or can I be able to travel? You know, sometimes people are saying, Samuel, I'm located in Belfast. Can you come to Belfast? I can't come everywhere. I'm doing a tour all across England, but you know, you're gonna have to make a move. But when you make one move, I'll make 10. You know, I'll make 10. But best case, worst case. What's the worst case? Well, it's a free training program. Worst case is you're gonna come down and you're gonna be like, that was rubbish, and you're gonna have wasted a day. Best case is you're gonna come down, you're gonna find a property deal on the day, you'll sell it on the day, who knows? You'll find your joint venture partner. And it's like, is that realistic? Well, look how many thousands of people have succeeded after coming to my training programs on Winners on a Wednesday every week. What have they all got in common? The thing they've all got in common is that they all came to the training, they showed up. So I hope to see you, I hope you show up. I'm not gonna be disappointing. I'll be there personally myself, and I'm gonna be delivering training, and I'm not gonna hold back. So get yourself booked on. I'll see you next month. And if, like me, if you're done with just being at home in lockdown and you're ready to network, you're ready to be inspired, you're ready to make some money, you're ready to do some deals, then get registered. But don't delay, don't procrastinate, because tickets are gonna sell. They're gonna sell out real fast. I just made it live. I've not even really promoted it yet. And London is the one in Watford is almost sold out. So get registered quickly. I might even be bringing my wifey. Mandy, you gonna be coming to the crash courses?
Yes, I will.
You coming on tour? Are you coming?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, amazing. See, double whammy. So if you're not coming for me, if you don't care about me, you're coming for Amanda. Look, she's trying to run away now.
I'll be there.
She'll be there. All right, so Amanda's gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. You're gonna meet so many good people. So be there and get booked now. I'll leave the link in the description. God bless.